it's your girl Key Lime Pie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about making slime-itty slime. And we have two very special guests today. The first guest is my very best friend and he's coming straight from New York. Drum roll please. Arison!
Hello everyone, hi.
And we also have a second guest and she is Queen J. Say hello. Hi, so she's actually the slime queen. She's gonna teach us how to make slime today. So if you guys are ready,
so excited.
Stay tuned. All right, so now we're ready to begin our slime. So Julissa, you take the lead and tell us what we need to do.
So first you had to put in the glue.
So glue, everyone you can grab, I guess can we use each our own glue?
We can all use it.
Okay, and we're using Elmer's glue by the way, and it's just school glue, exactly. You can get it at CVS. Where else can you get this glue?
Walmart, Target, right?
Anywhere, really. You could probably steal it from school. Don't do that. So we just dump it in the bowl?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, dump your slime, your glue in the bowl. Do we just take the cap off? There you go. I've never made slime before, so this is a first for me. Arison, have you ever made slime before?
I've never made slime before, and this is exciting.
Ooh, this is actually kind of funny.
Well, okay. Pour and everything.
Pour the whole thing, right? So
this looks like yogurt, actually.
Squeeze it out. Well, you can eat it. It's edible.
Can I eat this? Can I eat it? Is that okay if I eat it?
Oh, and by the way, we were supposed to have another Queen J visit us today and do the slime video with us, but she's not here. Just Sadie's, we send you love and kisses.
I just Sadie.
All right, what is the next step?
Then you had to put in the food dye.
Food dye. I'm gonna do, can we pick whatever color we want?
Yeah,
How much food?
How much do we just put? 1 dot or like 2 or 3? Can I mix them together?
Yeah, you can mix them.
Okay, what color do you want to do? I think I want to do purple. Let's do purple. Do you want purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm gonna do mine actually 1 tiny drop of blue. Can I mix it?
Yeah.
Wait, you said 2 dots or more than that? As much as I want?
Wow, that looks so cool.
The more you put, the darker.
Oh, no, I like lavender. Here you go.
Wow, and we put 3 drops. Wow.
Just finished putting in the food coloring.
Well, I want to add.
Of course, he wants to be extra.
Well, there you go. It's only 1 drop.
Okay, so I just want to show you guys what it looks like right now. And it really looks like vanilla yogurt with like a few squirts of like color in it. All right, so what's the next step, Julissa?
Then you mix it.
With the spoon?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
Wait, mine looks
this
really...
kind of looks a little gross. Stir it. You're stirring it like you're scared.
Wait, can I put it?
Yeah, you want to show the camera, go for it.
Look how cool that looks.
Mine actually came out a little pink, but that's okay.
Wait, mine doesn't have color. Wait, Julissa.
Let me see. Yours turned gray.
Mine's turning
That's what you get for being extra.
No. Julissa, can I add like a little bit more blue? Like, this is not blue enough.
The Tide will make it.
Oh yeah, because the Tide is blue.
Oh, so I don't want to.
All right, so how long do we keep stirring it for?
Until you like the color of it.
This looks so good. You like when you add sugar to your yogurt? Yes, this looks very pretty. That looks very pretty. It looks so pretty, guys. I'm actually very proud of this food coloring. Even my food looks cool. Okay, I'm ready for the next step.
Then you have to add the Tide a little bit at a time.
So, okay, should I pour it into the cup?
Yeah.
So we're gonna pour a little bit of Tide into the cup, and I'm gonna go with like the measurement of like the little 1 on the Tide cup, whatever thing. Yep. And then I'm just gonna dump a little bit in my thing. Do you want to dump it?
And
Ba-bam!
Oh my God! Why you scare me, man?
Okay, and then I just stir
That's it.
You're gonna need more after, but you have to put a little bit.
Oh, I see. What does the Tide do? Tell us. It activates it?
Yeah.
What do you mean by activate?
It's like gonna blow up, like just a bunch of slime
3,
party.
2, 1. I think I.
Wait, you pour some of mine to do? Yeah, do it. Oh, it's starting at Columbia. Okay, let's mix it. Oh, mine's activated.
Here it is. It just activated.
Said mine just activated. Okay, let's get it going.
This smells good.
It does smell really good. It smells like Tide. It looks kind of nasty. It looks like mucus. It looks like pink mucus. Look doesn't it look like pink mucus?
Julissa, mine needs to be reactivated. I think it like it.
Well, how do you know when to stop putting time? When activation stops.
We're selling these slimes, by the way. For how much, Arlson?
I think you said $3.50.
$3.50,
Yes,
right?
and that's without the tax.
Okay, without tax. We do tax, okay?
This tax.
This is America.
Like, look at this.
I
Like,
think I
look.
need a little bit more activator.
Julissa, mine needs to be reactivated.
Poor Julissa's trying to work on her own slime and we're so needy. All right, we're almost there.
Julissa is like
Oh, look at this.
activating. Oh, that's a slime?
Yeah, basically, I think, does it all stick together, like off the bowl?
Yeah, once it starts sticking off the bowl, then you have to start kneading with your hand.
Okay. And
My
what is-
hands?
What is
My hands
kneading?
gotta go in?
Yeah.
Oh, but you guys didn't tell, why didn't you tell this in the beginning?
Because that's part of slime. It's like Play-Doh. You play with it with your hands. What did you think?
I thought like we're just gonna use a spoon. I wasn't ready to touch.
He's ready.
Then you start
Playing with
touching
it.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I'm almost getting this. This is a workout for your
How could you
arms.
just like, yeah, like my hands, I need a break.
Oh, Allison, I think yours might be ready too.
Julissa, I think mine is activated completely.
Just a little.
Need more activation? Talk about a little bit more activation. Alright, so me and Allison are lacking a little bit of activation. Slime knowledge here. So we're gonna pour a little bit more activation. Yeah, a little bit more actually. Allison? A little bit more. I think that's
Kids, make sure you don't waste your parents' detergent.
Actually, make sure you do, you know. Look at this, guys.
This is ready.
Julissa, I think mine is like.
Oh my God, I can tell yours is ready.
Are you sure, Julissa, mine is ready?
Yeah, you have to start touching it.
Look at this. It's not sticking.
Start
to the bowl.
touching it.
It's not touching the bowl no more. Look, it's just like.
You did a great job. You're such a slime expert.
Wow. Do I get a certificate at the end, Julissa?
Yes, you do.
I'm excited. Oh, look. Oh, this is fun.
Oh, this is ready. This
Mine
is ready. This is ready. So can I just take it out now with my hands?
Julissa, I have a question for you. How many years have you been doing this?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Let me take my rings off because I don't want to get them stuck in the slime.
I feel like Julissa's been doing this for like a couple of years now.
I'm just going to, okay, this was not a good idea. This was not a good idea.
You want to add some?
Yeah, I think.
Can we reactivate it?
I need a little bit more. Like you need bread.
You need bread?
You never heard the dough. Yeah, when you play with it, I guess. When you.
I thought you mean like when I need a bread or something.
Yes, that's it. Did we make slime today?
I think so. Well, but I feel like mine needs to be.
Oh my gosh.
You need a little
More activation, I think so. I feel like I should take a shower. And.
You know, we can wash our clothes with this. Can you just throw this in your clothes like in dishwasher? I feel like this would be a great.
No, it'll stick to all your clothes.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, I'm just gonna rip this off and put it in the bowl to the best of my abilities.
Just when you put it in the bowl, just keep poking it in.
Okay. So for you guys that don't know how to make slime, the simple ingredients that you need are glue.
Where's the glue? Oh, we use it.
I can't, yeah, glue. What else do we need?
Food coloring is optional.
It is optional, but who wants ugly, non-colored slime?
I would. Then
If it
you,
was clear glue.
Oh, that would be cool. We should do that next.
you know the glowing glues?
And
We
what's
have
the
those?
last ingredient that we
Yeah,
need?
that works too.
You see, we can have a glowing one.
Tide. We need Tide. So thank you for watching our slime videos. If you guys want us to do any other slime, please let us know. Again, this was Arrows and he came straight from New York.
And I'm gonna come back for more slime.
Yes, he is.
So fun.
So we'll see you next time. If you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, please do so. Know how to make slime? You can take your children and make slime for Easter tomorrow.
Yeah, look at this. not only that it's a slime,
Oh, yours is so good.
it actually cleaned my hands.
Yeah.
Is that what the soap is for?